Aprito Perfection Pro Tips by Masarap Ba. Number 1, clean and pat dry your chicken. Number 2, use quality breading like the Magnolia Golden Crunch breading mix. Yes, Magnolia! The experts in chicken, ngayon may breading mix na rin. Number 3, after breading, dip it in cold water with ice for 10 seconds. Then 4, dredge chicken pieces again in your Magnolia Golden Crunch breading mix. 5, let it dry for a few minutes. 6, oil temperature should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then number 7, during frying, avoid overcrowding. Importante yan. Finally, let's do a Aprito check. Uy, amoy masarap. At wow, mukhang masarap. May kagat na masarap. At syempre, lasang masarap. As for my final verdict, yes, masarap. Kaya itry mo na rin.